In our previous session, we discussed sourcing. Today, we are going to explore a fresh topic, which is role of HR in developing resource capability. Let us start with a scenario. Imagine you are a part of the HR team in a mid-sized IT company facing high employee turnover. The CEO has expressed concerns about losing the top talent and its impacts on the projects. As a part of a brainstorming session, the HR team must identify areas to focus on, such as training initiatives, leadership development, or retention strategies. So here's a question. How would you prioritize these areas to address the company's challenges effectively? Pause for 30 seconds to consider your response before proceeding. Understanding the concepts in depth is very essential to explore the answers. So let us proceed with the topic's learning objectives. At the end of this topic, you will be able to explain the concept of resource capability and its significance for organizational success. You'll be able to identify HR's role in enhancing resource capability through training and development initiatives. You'll also be able to analyze the importance of leadership development in building a robust leadership pipeline. You'll be able to evaluate effective retention strategies to maintain a skilled and a motivated workforce. Let us understand the role of HRM. The role of human resource management, HRM, in developing resource capability is vital for any organization that aims to sustain its competitive edge and achieve long-term success. Resource capability refers to the ability of an organization to effectively utilize and develop its human, technological, and physical resources. HR plays a central role in this by ensuring that employees are not only equipped with the right skills but are also motivated, engaged, and ready to meet future challenges. The three key areas in which HR contributes to developing resource capability are training and development initiatives, leadership development, and retention strategies. Let us discuss each in detail. Let us discuss the first component. Training and development initiatives are fundamental to ensuring that employees acquire the skills, knowledge, and competencies required to meet both current and future job demands. HR plays a strategic role in designing and implementing training programs that enhance employee performance and productivity while fostering both personal and professional growth. Key components of training and development initiatives are assessing training needs. The first step in any training initiative is identifying the skill gaps within the organization. HR professionals work closely with line managers and team leaders to assess both individual and team performance and pinpoint areas where additional training is required. For example, if a company is transitioning to a new software system, HR would assess the need for training in that area. The employees who lack familiarity with the system could receive targeted training to ensure smooth implementation. On-the-job training, OJT, and off-the-job training. HR must decide on the most suitable training methods based on the needs of the organization. On-the-job training allows employees to learn while working under the supervision of a mentor or manager. Off-the-job training, such as workshops, seminars, or online courses, provides more structured learning opportunities. For example, a retail business might offer on-the-job training to sales staff on how to use a new point of sale (POS) system, while also sending them off-site for customer service workshops, learning and digital training platforms. With the rise of technology, many organizations are opting for digital platforms to train employees, offering flexibility and scalability. HR professionals can collaborate with e-learning providers to offer courses on various topics. from leadership skills to technical expertise. Example: a multinational company might implement an online learning portal where employees can take courses in leadership, communication, and project management, allowing them to train at their own pace. Leadership development programs. As part of broader training initiatives, HR often focuses on identifying and nurturing potential leaders within the organization. These programs typically include a combination of classroom training, mentorship, job rotations, and leadership challenges. Example: a consulting firm might develop a leadership pipeline program for high potential employees, offering coaching, cross-departmental experience, and executive training. Next, let us discuss leadership development. Leadership development is a key aspect of HR's role in building resource capability. Strong leadership is essential for guiding the organization through challenges, setting strategic direction, and fostering a positive workplace culture. HR is responsible for identifying and nurturing future leaders who can steer the organization towards success. Next, the key components of leadership development are: identifying potential leaders. HR uses performance evaluations, behavioral assessments, and leadership potential criteria to identify employees who show promise in leadership roles. This process includes recognizing qualities such as emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and decision-making capabilities. Example: a global consulting firm may identify mid-level managers who have demonstrated strong problem-solving skills, an ability to work under pressure, and the capability to motivate teams. These individuals might be fast-tracked for leadership development programs. 2. Mentoring and coaching. Providing one-on-one coaching and mentorship is a common method for developing leadership skills. HR can facilitate mentoring relationships by pairing emerging leaders with senior leaders who can provide guidance, share experiences, and support their growth. Example: a large corporation might assign high potential employees to senior mentors who can guide them in navigating complex business challenges and leadership responsibilities. 3. Succession planning. Leadership development is closely tied to succession planning, where HR ensures that talented individuals are prepared to take over key positions within the organization. This proactive approach helps prevent leadership gaps when senior leaders retire, leave, or are promoted. Example: in a family-owned business, HR might have a succession plan in place to groom the next generation of leaders by providing them with the necessary skills and experiences to run the company. 4. Experiential learning and job rotations. Providing future leaders with exposure to different aspects of the business through job rotations or special projects allows them to develop a broader skill set and gain a deeper understanding of the organization's complexities. HR can design such programs to build leadership competencies across various functions. Example: a financial services company might rotate high potential employees through departments such as operations, marketing, and strategy to provide them with a holistic view of the organization and help develop their leadership capabilities. Next, let us discuss retention strategies. Employee retention is another critical area where HR plays a pivotal role in developing resource capability. Retaining top talent is essential for maintaining productivity, morale, and a competitive edge. HR professionals need to foster an environment where employees feel valued, engaged, and committed to the organization's success. Now, let us discuss the key components of retention strategies: competitive compensation and benefits. Offering attractive salary packages and benefits is fundamental to retaining employees. HR needs to ensure that compensation is aligned with industry standards and includes a range of benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, performance-based bonuses. Example: a tech company might offer its employees stock options or profit-sharing schemes as part of a retention strategy alongside a competitive salary. 2. Career development opportunities. Employees are more likely to stay with an organization that invests in their career development. HR should create opportunities for employees to grow professionally, such as through training, promotions, or lateral moves that offer new challenges. Example: an international hotel chain might offer employees the chance to attend leadership development courses or take on managerial roles in different locations, helping them grow within the company. 3. Work-life balance. Providing a good work-life balance is increasingly important in today's work environment. HR should offer flexible working arrangements, such as remote work options, flexible hours, and paid time off, to help employees maintain a healthy balance between work and personal life. Example: a consulting firm might introduce flexible working hours and remote work policies, allowing employees to better manage their personal and professional commitments. 4. Recognition and reward systems. Regular recognition and rewards for employees' contributions can significantly improve retention. HR can implement formal recognition programs such as Employee of the Month or reward milestones such as years of service. Example: a manufacturing company might have an annual awards ceremony where outstanding employees are recognized for their hard work, commitment, and achievements. 5. Employee engagement initiatives. Keeping employees engaged through surveys, feedback mechanisms, and team building activities is essential for retention. HR professionals should regularly assess employee satisfaction and address any concerns or areas for improvement. Example: a global organization might implement regular employee surveys to gauge job satisfaction and identify areas where improvements can be made, ensuring that employees feel heard and valued. Let us summarize in this topic whatever you have learned. Number 1, HR plays a critical role in developing resource capability by aligning human, technological, and physical resources within the organizational goal. You have also learned training and development initiatives equip employees with essential skills, fostering engagement and productivity. We have also learned that leadership development ensures a strong leadership pipeline to drive growth and stability. We have learned that the effective retention strategies maintain a motivated and committed workforce, reducing the turnover and enhancing the organizational performance. That's all for today. Thank you and happy learning.